How would you say velvet tamarind in Igbo? Icheku. How would you say African pear? Ube. How would you say watermelon? Anyummiri. How would you say orange? Oroma. How would you say sugar cane? Okpete. How would you say lime? Oromankirisi. How would you say pepper fruits? Mmimi. How would you say African olive? Ubemba. How would you say pineapple? Nkwaba. How would you say banana? Unere. How would you say coconut? Aki oyibo. How would you say avocado? Ubebeke. How would you say eggplant? Angara.
So what is your score?